Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you an easy and short technique to factor any quadratic expression. Alright, so let's start with, I'll take you through three examples. The first one is x squared plus 14x plus 48. So for this quadratic, it will have two factors of x, right? So the first step is to look at this number 48, right? And what are the factors of 48? You could have 1 and 48. You're looking at two sets of numbers, in this case 1 and 48, that will give you a plus 14. Now 1 and 48 cannot, either by adding them or subtracting them, you cannot get 14, right? So let's go on. The next set of factors of 48 could be 2 and 24. Again, you won't get a 14 from these two numbers. Let's look at 3 and 16. Well, even if you subtract 16 and 3, you get a 13, not 14. Alright, let's keep going. So you could have a 4 and a 4 times 12. Again, you won't get 14. How about 6 times 8 is 48. And then 8 plus 6 is 14, right? So plus 14 is plus 8 and plus 6. So I will rewrite this as x squared plus 14x. I'll break it down into 8x plus 6x. And then I write the last term as is 48. And then I take x common from these first two terms. I get x plus 8. And then from these two terms I take common, which is 6. And in parentheses I have x plus 8, right? Okay, now you can see that x plus 8 and x plus 8 are common. So you can take x plus 8 common. And then in parentheses you are left with this x plus 6, right? So this is your answer then, x plus 8 times x plus 6. Now, these are just some steps to show you how we get to the factors. But on the SAT, you can go straight from the question to the answer, to the two factors, because you've identified 6 and 8, right? And how do you get plus 14? Using 6 and 8, you go with a plus 8 and a plus 6. So those are your two factors. Alright, let's go on to the next example. That is x squared minus 2x minus 48. Okay, again you look at this term or this number. What are the two factors of 48 that will give you minus 2, right? So again you can list out the sets of two factors like 2 times 24, just like we covered in the previous example, but we'll go straight to 8 and 6, because if you subtract these two, 8 minus 6 is 2, right? So then the next step is you write the factors out. You have minus 2 is minus 8 plus 6. So your two factors then would be minus 8, x minus 8, and then the other one would be plus 6, x plus 6. So you straight away gone from your quadratic to the two factors. Alright, then let's look at the third and last example. That is x squared minus 9x minus 10. Alright, so again let's look at this number here. You can have 2 and 5, but you won't get a 9 from these two numbers. Or you can have 1 and 10 as factors of 10, and 10 minus 1 is minus 9, right? So you get minus 9 from minus 10 plus 1. So then your two factors would be x minus 10 and x plus 1. So you go straight from your quadratic to the two factors. I hope this helped. This is critical for the SAT because there will definitely be at least a question where you would have to find the factors using this technique. Alright, more later. Stay tuned. Bye.